Hello, welcome to Blue Mountain. My name is Mark. I am a ski instructor here, and we are going to teach Rachel how to ski.
I'm Rachel, and I'm hoping not to fall a ton of times today.
All right, so you're going to want to learn how to keep your balance in the right spot. We're going to teach you how to do some turns and stops, and maybe a little bit more depending on how the lesson progresses. You want your feet apart, knees bent. Feel the front of your boot a little bit, all right? And most important, you're gonna be looking up. And that's it, it's very simple. All right, and look at me. All right, don't worry about me, I'll get out of your way. All right, that was good. Good, that was pretty perfect. All right, nice first run. What I want us to do is we're gonna learn how to stop, okay. All right? We call this a pizza, all right? So what we just did was the straight skis, we call that French fries. All right, so when we do the pizza, it's very simple. If you're here, you got your feet about shoulder width apart, okay. You're gonna make sure you're on your toes, right? And you just push out, yep. Steps, walk forward, all right? Then when you get that way, hold that position and hit the pizza. Pretty good, all right? You started at a little bit of an angle, that's why you kind of came to that one. Okay. When you're turning, you're using your left foot to control your right turn, okay. And vice versa, all right? So it's all done with pressure, all right? But the ideal way of doing it is you want to just be in here. If I'm going to make a turn this way, I'm, again, waist forward, and all I want to do is just push kind of one foot out. Because when I come down, when I'm ready, I'm going to push that right out and just kind of brings me right around. Again, we're going to go to our left, right? You get the knees bent, flexed in, good, and looking ahead where you're going. Okay. All right, go for it. Which one were you pushing that time? Okay, that's good. And then you made a turn. That was okay. Exactly what you tried to do. It's a success.
I went down a little bit too much.
All right, do you want to try the magic carpet?
Sure, I'll give that a shot.
What I want you to try, all right, and I'm going to show you first. I'm going to just do this. I'm going to come down on that pizza, right? I'm in a pizza. I push my left foot. I push my right foot, all right? Yeah. Oh. Going that way. Oh. All right, watch where you're going, and then you need to hit the left foot. Nice, beautiful. There you go. That's good. That's good. That's nice. You got it. Good, 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 good. Beautiful. Keep going. All right. That was great. That was great. That was a win. All right, I'm going to give you
Thank you so
congratulations.
Much.
All right. All right, guys. So you just saw me give Rachel a quick beginner lesson. We do offer lessons for any level, and when you come, just make sure you're ready to learn. We are open 7 days a week, all winter long, and you guys come out and take a lesson.